Trying the ultimate Korean glow combo. Clear Clarity Laser for tone, Undereye Collagen Booster for brightness, Goddess Injection for radiance, and Botox for smooth, lifted skin.
So you do have some pigmentation and some widened blood vessels. And some mild acne as well.
눈밑도 저기 울트라코를 할 수 있는데
네.
피부가 너무 얇아.
Here you can see there are some of the red spots right here. Those are the largest pores. Here you can see the sunspots right here. You have some here and there, but it's not severe. Now the oil production level, as you can see, it's quite low.
Yeah, that's why I feel my skin is so dry.
Because your skin is quite thin, you could try other anti-aging products that doesn't dry your skin so much. The Goddess Injection has an array of benefits, so that's really going to help you. So that's the results of your skin analysis. Think of all the gunk just coming out of the pores. Doctor said you tolerated super well.